I'm not in tune.
And second start to the right and straight on till morning. I wanna be forever young. And second start to the right and straight on till morning. I may be growing up, but my heart will always have fun. Amazing, love that is burning, passionate and blazing. Cause when you are this young, just having fun is your one and only mission. Now I don't wanna go on and grow on and leave it. I just wanna hold on to these feelings so clear. When you are this young, just having fun is your one and only mission. You and me together, we can build our castles in the sand and breathe the ocean. And we so loved. Second start to the right and straight on till morning. I wanna be forever young. And second start to the right and straight on till morning. I may be growing up, but my heart will always have fun. Driving in my 206, got my 6-string, waiting for the show to start. Listening to every single band, hoping they can lend a hand, get me out of the rut I'm in. And heading down the big M5, and I'm bursting, waiting for those big lights to shine. Like good friends once said, they guide me in again.
You just save our faces, we need to wait.
Oh, cause you and me together, we can build our castles in the sand and breathe. Second start to the right and straight on till morning. I wanna be forever young. And second start to the right and straight on till morning. I may be growing up, but my heart will always have fun. You guys have been awesome. And we have been Canary Swing. When we were just kids in the garden, played like we meant it. We opened our eyes and hearts were cemented together. Now if I had all the money in the world, I would buy a boat. Together we would row onward together. And second start to the right and straight on till morning. I wanna be forever young. And second start to the right and straight on till morning. I wanna be forever. Second start to the right and straight on till morning. I wanna be forever young. And second start to the right and straight on till morning. I may be growing up, but my heart will always have fun.